You could almost call this the knife and fork dog as I'm finishing it up here. Get you a knife, get you a fork. Oh yeah. Messy. All right. Messy and good. Welcome in. Today I'm going to be joining in a collaboration with Doug over at Doug's Top Dogs STL, and he is going to be picking someone's hot dog out to jump on the menu. But it's all about the fun, joining in, and thought I would go ahead and put a little of the oakied involved in it and add some spice. Who don't like a little spicy hot dog? So I'm going to create a little bit of a jalapeno sauteed with some onions and just put it on there. It's so simple, and simple is so good. It's also going to be hashtag Doug's next hot dog. I had it written down here. Hashtag Doug's next hot dog. So everybody else that creates them, if you want to go check them out, do so. All right, so we got the beevor heating up right now at about 300 degrees. And I'm going to start off with a little bit of avocado oil on here. And then over here we've got some jalapeños cut up, and we've got some onions cut up. And we're going to go ahead and saute them right on here. I'm going to mix it together. You could do them separate. We're going to mix them all together. Also just going to add a little SPG, salt, pepper, garlic, a little seasoning on those. Oh, it's starting to smell good already. Yeah, we'll let those kind of caramelize up, crisp up a little bit. And on this side, we've got our hot dogs. We're just going to place them right on here. Get them all cooked up while those continue the cooking on this side. Meanwhile, I will be toasting the bun. I'm going to go ahead, get a plate here, and I'm going to go ahead and add some mayo to these. And right here I've got some Duke's of mayo. Which we're just going to put on here. And I'll put this on each of these. Just like that. And then we'll do them all like that, because we'll toast those here in a little bit. Now here's what we also want to do, because we want the flavor of all this to get in these dogs. So we're going to go ahead and kind of start putting them over here with them. Let some of that cook in there. Nice with those dogs, just like that. Get all those flavors in there. There we go. Put this over here for another batch or something. Let those cook up. Oh, yeah, I'm only going to do one with a bun here. Those of you know Dolores on keto, she's going to use her own setup. But I'm going to go ahead and start mine by toasting this like this, because for the hot dog cart, they're going to probably want a bun. So we're going to go ahead and make one. Yeah, nice and golden brown. So right over here, I've got the plate. Take that toasted bun right there. Once these get finished up, we'll go ahead and start doing it. We've got that cooked in with the Duke's mayo, but a little mustard. Right on the bottom of the bun here. That don't hurt to have a little bit extra. Go ahead and take one of these weenies right there. Onions and jalapeños. Cheese on here. Pickles. Go ahead and close that up just like that. Right there you go, an oaky, spicy, fried onion hot dog. Let's give it a try. Well, it didn't stay in the bun. I put it back in there though. A little messy, a little fall apart. It's all right.